Watch this. Mom.
What?
Later do the birdies. And we
Okay.
do the...
Okay.
And we do the unicorn.
Okay, do the unicorn.
Unicorn. Mom, I want to buy a unicorn.
Okay.
And a horse.
So that's the sounds of unicorn.
And all the animals. I want to buy all the toy animals.
Alright. We're gonna get it. Okay, what's next? After unicorn. What's next?
Mom,
What's next?
I want to say, oh, I don't forget it.
What?
I need to say the kangaroo.
Oh, okay.
I forgot.
What is the sound of kangaroo?
Hop.
Hop.
Mom, go down. I want to go
No,
down.
that's fine, that's fine.
No, I want to go down the floor and hop in floor.
You wanna hop hop? Okay. She wants to hop hop. Be careful, be careful. Okay. Wait. Okay, go there. So they can see you.
I'm just baby kangaroo.
Okay, you are a baby kangaroo. Okay, next. What's the next?
And the daddy kangaroo.
Nice.
Hop, hop. Woof, woof.
What's that?
Woof, woof.
What are you doing? No, don't lick it.
No, I want dog.
Okay.
I want to lick
But you don't need to lick me. Okay,
Oh my
okay,
God.
you passed the test. Okay, that's the doggy. That's the doggy. What's the next?
And we do the baby doggy.
Okay. Oh, that's very cute. Oh, no more licking. Baby, don't lick. Come on.
No, like we do with the baby dog.
Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. Okay, what's the next?
And Mr. the gorilla.
Okay, Mr. Gorilla.
No, not Mr. Gorilla.
What?
No, Mr. Gorilla.
Okay, show me the Mr. Gorilla.
No, not the gorilla.
What?
Don't say that like Mr. Gorilla.
Okay, what do you want?
I want to do Mr. Gorilla.
Okay, then do it. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Gorilla?
No, that's a chomping sound.
A chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. That's the chimpanzee. Oh,
Yay! Ribbit. Ribbit.
oh, what's that?
As a frog. I like the frog sound.
Okay. What else?